Family, we are right back here. And we have started to preheat our oil. So we are going to turn it down a little. Now, we are going to do some shallow fat frying. Get right in. Shallow fat is pouring enough oil to cover the surface and a little more. We are not deep fat frying. Therefore, the oil will not cover the dumplings. And the oil is not supposed to be too hot like when you're deep fat frying. So it's shallow fat frying. Okay. Next, we're going to uncover our dough and we want get right in. I want you to look at the texture of the dough. It was left to ferment or to rest. Remember when I left, I showed you the texture of the dough. Now that we are back, this is the texture of the dough. It is so smooth, you all. So we're gonna give it a few more kneads, and it's smooth. So it is just as smooth as it is. So we can just go right through. Now, family, look at it. Look at it. It's so manageable now. You can just simply roll it out. So you roll it in whatever shape, whatever form, because it's a dough. So you can get it to what you want it. Now, we want to test our oil by pinching a small piece of the dough right in. Dropping it into the oil. Now look at it. The oil is like this. It dropped at, let me do another one. Look at it. At the bottom, now it's coming up now, popping up. As soon as it's coming up now, look at it. Up to the top, the oil is ready. It's not supposed to be hotter than this. Okay, y'all? So we're going to continue now to start making our dumplings. Make them to whatever size. If you want to make them into kiati, as on the cornmeal dumpling, no problem. This is how I do mine. Dainty little ones, and you roll. You come and you get it like this into a ball. Get right in. And you roll. It doesn't matter the shape, because as soon as they start frying, they're going to come to a different shape. So you roll it like this and you get something like this. Right in. But remember, you don't let these fry until they get burned to get your oil all messed up. Now, we're going to proceed to put in a few more. Remember, I show you. So I can just start speeding up this process. Put it in how you feel. Okay, y'all? And I hope you have been watching. I've done it in such a way that you can get every single thing out of it. I've done it in a way, family, that you don't have to go on the channel again over and over. I think I've done it so easy that you can understand it, because a lot of people want to learn to do this. Fried dumplings, always nice. So, and as I say, shallow fat frying. So you make your dumpling them how you want them, whatever, because they're going to come out with, they're not going to come in. You will see what they look like when they come, because remember, the baking soda is inside of them, and they'll come out almost double or 1.5 the size. That's because that's what the baking soda powder is for. So now I'm gonna show you all something else. Putting in all our dumplings, and take a note of how many dumplings we got out of the amount of flour I showed you, depending on the size that you have made. So they are there, and if you notice, they are getting all bulky. Now, you're going to leave them, look at the flame, almost low. You're going to leave them on that flame. They don't start taking colors yet. So we're going to leave them on that flame. And we're going to cover our pot. While they are frying, y'all, they are steaming. This process is to let the dumpling comes out soft. The dumplings come out soft and real mild. That is my way, family. So you leave it on this almost low flame, and constantly or occasionally, you come and you turn, and as soon as you see one side takes color, you get to the desired color. And I should have told your family, corn oil or palm seed oil gives you the best, those golden brown color. Vegetable oil doesn't give that golden brown color. Okay? And I personally don't use olive oil for cooking. Olive oil is used for medicinal purposes inside my kitchen. So if you use olive oil, you can feel free to go ahead. To me, olive oil is too heavy. I don't use it to cook. But if you use your olive oil, feel free and go ahead. Now these are some, that's the lighter stage of the color they're going to get. So we're going to leave them here and we're covering them. But remember, it's oil. And when it's covered, it tends to make sweat or steam on top there. So you all know that when the steam goes into the oil, it's going to pop. So you're going to get your splatter cover, put it over your pot, and cover. Therefore, when you come again and lift, when you lift, the splatter cover will take care of everything. And when you come to lift, you just slide it sideways, splatter will come up, and then the splatter cover will take care of it. And after a certain point, when air gets into it, it will stop popping. Okay, y'all? So we're going to cover our pot with, I don't have a splatter cover here now, but I'm just ensuring that you all get that in case you meet upon any accident and say, they be down a yard, say so. So remember to put on your splatter cover. So we're going to leave this, turn in occasionally, and when we come back, you'll see the texture of our dumpling and the color of our dumplings. Okay?